Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Yamaha's 2025 AR250. So we'll start way back here in the back. You can see all the way in the transom there, that is Yamaha's signature swim platform. So it's super spacious. You've got the cushions for seat backs back there. Awesome place to hang out or hang off while you're anchored at the sandbar or anywhere else on the water. Moving on into our cockpit a little bit, you can see we're getting plenty of shade from our canopy on top of our sports tower here. It's a signature part of the AR line. And then underneath each of these seats, you do have full storage compartments. And then on this side, you got the switches for your dual battery system on board. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha high output jet motors there. So those are about 200 horsepower a piece. It's about 400 horsepower combined. So it's a pretty quick boat with a good amount of power for a 25 footer here. We'll move on up a little bit. Awesome feature of the AR250 is the dual captain's chairs. They do full swivel and turn with locking armrest and the back adjust as well. Then over here on the port side, you do have a nice large storage compartment that could easily be transformed into a head compartment with the addition of a porta potty in there. Alrighty. We'll take a quick look at the helm real quick. So this is your Yamaha Connect screen up here. So in there you've got your stereo controls, your GPS, chart plotter, any kind of engine management details. You've got an Aqua Amp wireless phone charger for your cell phone, mounts it up there, and your main controls for that Connect screen there. Awesome benefit of the 25 footer is this nice large swim or ski locker here. So you got plenty of space in there. You can see we got the cover and the poles in there, and still got tons of room moving on up towards the bow. And we'll take a quick look at the bow. You can see we have our filler cushions in right now. And just to give you reference, I'm about 6'3", and I can stretch out in this bow. It really shows how much space is in here. And when you got these in, you can use this as a full pad to lay out for sunbathing or anything like that. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.